In this video, I will show you how to use Cline in VSCode with LMS Studio. So for this, at first, you will go to lmsstudio.ai and now you need to download LMS Studio Bionic. Right now, you can see LMS Studio go with Bionic. So Bionic is LMS Studio's agent feature for open model. It's natively local and built for creative work and code. So this is much big announcement for LMS Studio, and you can go with much better feature with LMS Studio Bionic. So from here, you will simply click download LMS Studio on your PC, and then you can go through the tutorial. I have already completed the download sessions and already install it. When you have downloaded and install it, you will simply go to your app sections and let me search Bionic. Okay, and then open Bionic. So this is actually LMS Studio Bionic. So here at the beginning, you need to create a project. You will see this is the interface of LMS Studio Bionic, and I will simply click create a project. Here you will write a name of your project. So this will be, for example, test project, and by default you will see it will be unchecked. If you just want to use LMS Studio for coding, you can just toggle this, and here you need to choose a local workspace. So if you click here, you need to select a project directory for this. For me, let me choose this project directory and use this folder. And now, so if you click create, you can see this project is listed here. Right now, you are on this project. You can simply chat with from here. So what you will have to do next, you need to load a model. So right now, if you click choose model, we don't have any model downloaded. So you can go with get local model or simply sign in for Claude model. So where you find model actually, if you back to here, just go to model section, and here you see there are lots of model available to install locally on your machine. And you can see right now Qwen 3.8 27B model is available, and here you can see the storage you need. So this is the minimum memory requirement for this model, 16.1 GB. So if your hardware or your PC have that amount of space, you can download it by clicking get and run in LMS Studio, or simply use LMS Studio CLI by using this command. So this model is too heavy to install for my current setup, so that's why I will go with a small size of model. So here you can see some of model are actually cloud version require API credit to use, and that's why we will go with free options. So here you can see Grenady 4.1 is available to use free, and it's very tiny, 2.10 GB for these model versions. You can simply click get and run in LMS Studio. And there are others model. If you see here, Gemma 4 is available. You can also download Gemma 4 on your PC, and here the minimum size requirement for the memory is, so you can simply click get and run in LMS Studio, or you can just go with LMS Studio, and now you can just click get local model and you will land to here. If I want to show you how you go there, you will go to settings, and then here you can see explore sections. You will get all the models here listed. You can directly download it from here. For example, you can search Gemma 4, or you can go with Granity or this specific model, and I will simply click this download. So I choose a smaller model, but based on your RAM, you will just download a high performing model on your PC. You can see right now it's downloading, and you can just track the download from here. Okay, we'll have to wait until it's completed. Okay. When the model is downloaded, what you will do, you will simply click here. So now you can see it's loaded. So Granity 4.13B model is loaded. You can just chat with from here. But our goal is to use it in VS Code. So that's why you'll go to settings. Here you can see local model API. Click here, and now you can see, so local API server is stopped. You need to just toggle it one, and now we'll get a base URL. You need this base URL to connect it on Cline in VS Code. Okay. So when you just keep it running, then back to Visual Studio Code. Here we'll go to extension tab and then simply search Cline. Then we'll install this official extension. Let me click install, and you can see it's added here. So this is Cline icon. We will close all of this stuff and click this Cline icon. And here you can see, so Cline is absolutely free. To continue, I will simply click continue. And here you will see this is free versions. It says create an account. You can change the setting later to use this. And simply click this create an account and open it. We will sign in to this platform using my Google account. You can just use Google, GitHub, and other stuff. Let me sign in and continue. We will authorize it. Now open in VS Code. So I'll say, okay, open. So you can see you will have something like this. So what next? You need to load LMS Studio. So here you can see settings. And now if I increase it, you can see here, you can see API provider. You can search LMS Studio. You can see LMS Studio is available. You will click this one. And now you will need to just load the model from here. You don't put your URL. It's already take the base URL. If you need to put your custom base URL, you can just click here and just put your base URL, something like this. So this will be the base URL. So by default, it will take the base URL. So you don't need to configure. You can simply select the model you have already installed. For now, I will see the one model only here because I just install one model. If you know download and install others model, you will just get the list from here. I will simply choose this one and now click this done. So here you can see LMS Studio Granite 4.3 is available. You can just start chatting from here. Okay. We can say hi and let me click this send button. You can see it's thinking and so, hey, I'm ready to help with your project. What would you like to work on the test project? Okay. So now you can start building projects from here and enjoy it. If you face any problem, just leave a comment. I will try to solve your problem. Thank you.